At the Marseille hospitals, lighting consumes 30 gigawatts per year and represents 40% of the total electricity consumption, translating into millions of euros in costs each year. To reduce their energy bills, the Marseille hospitals and the Sainte-Anne Hospital in Paris have decided to progressively switch to LED lighting by Lucibel, offering several advantages. Much more economical, the lamps are more ecological, more reliable, more practical, and more attractive. Thanks to these LEDs, electricity consumption is divided in half, and operating life extended to 50,000 hours. The engineering director at the Sainte-Anne Hospital in Paris said, "We chose LED technology for several reasons. First of all, we expect to save energy while also benefiting from a longer operating life for the devices and much lighter maintenance." The electricity department manager at the Marseille hospital said, "Nearly 60% of the working hours of our electrical maintenance staff were devoted to replacing light sources. By dividing the time devoted to lighting maintenance by 5, we have been able to refocus our teams on building management." LEDs are not only more economical, they're also more ecological and safer for human health, since they contain no mercury likely to be scattered and inhaled in the event of lamp breakage. A certificate issued by an independent laboratory also guarantees the absence of any negative impacts of the Lucibel LED's ultraviolet rays on the skin or eyes. Moreover, the LED lamps are adjustable. The light intensity automatically adapts to the outdoor luminosity in order to constantly supply the same quantity of light. Here, we are at the heart of the Technical Alarm Supervision Centre for the Marseille hospitals. We supervise nearly 30,000 technical points in the hospitals, and we have also included our lighting management on these screens. We can thus control the periods of illumination and extinction in the different zones.
Zone par zone, on peut contrôler les périodes d'allumage ou d'extinction des différentes zones.
The deputy manager at the Marseille hospital said, "We deployed this lighting management system using an LED system because contrary to other types of lighting, where switching on and off many times shortens their operating life, with an LED system this does not penalise us. We chose the Lucibel brand because we felt that it offered the best possible quality-price ratio. The quality of their procurement was also excellent, and above all, the sustainability of these products was guaranteed."
Et c'était surtout des produits dont la pérennité était assurée.
Extra flat and with an attractive design, the LED panels can be aesthetically integrated into interior fittings and other architectural elements. The colour rendering, which had a tendency to change over time when this technology was first emerging, is now perfectly controlled. There is a wide variety of white hues to choose from cold, efficient light to warm, comfortable light. Finally, LEDs emit a homogeneous light that is not altered over time. LED products also offer another interesting aesthetic aspect, since in addition to being economical, they also occupy very little space, as you can see here with 1 cm with respect to current products. This saves significant space and creates a much more attractive architecture. The management secretary at the Marseille hospital said, "We've observed an improvement in terms of luminosity on the screen and less vision discomfort. We experience less eye strain and less headaches. A single light above the computer is sufficient." First installing the emergency exit lights in hospital circulation areas, which remain switched on 24/7, LEDs are now widely installed in hard-to-access areas. We started by installing LED systems in the circulation areas, since these lights are operating 24/7, and it is therefore with them that we can guarantee maximum savings. The electrical department manager said, "We chose to renovate this amphitheatre in priority to reduce maintenance costs. In this type of hall you need scaffolding and a special ladder to change this type of lighting fixture, so we're saving both in terms of maintenance costs and the electrical consumption." Economical, ecological, practical and aesthetic, LEDs are expected to progressively become more widespread and eventually replace all other types of lighting, since they offer so many advantages.